Hello, I'm Jordan. This is my dad Jim, the Grumpy Plumber. Today we'll be answering the question, where is my main water shutoff valve located? Hi, I'm Jordan. I started the Grumpy Plumber because I'm lucky enough to have a dad who's an amazing plumber. He's been a plumber for 48 years. And since I bought my house 5 years ago, he has saved us tens of thousands of dollars with his experience and his advice. So we started this channel to help people out with some great plumbing advice. And for those who really care about credentials, he's been a master plumber in Michigan, and he's also a C36 plumbing contractor in California. 48 years of plumbing, he knows something. It also makes him a little bit grumpy when he's sharing advice. Don't piss him off. All right, Dad, where's someone's main water shutoff valve located in their house or condo? Where's it at?
Well, most of the time it's either in the basement or right outside the house. Now, if you live in a warm climate, it's usually 90% of the time it's outside, which is a great deal because if it's a good location for anybody to shut it off, is right out there. But what you have to do is find out where the water meter is, trace it, usually right straight to the house, and there's a shutoff valve for it on there. So nowadays, years ago, we used to have what they call gate valves. Now they have ball valves on them. You hope they're using a ball valve. A gate valve needs to be exercised. What we mean, you need to open it and close it, not open it up too far, and so you can't close it the next time. But a ball valve is just a quarter turn that has a lever on it, and it doesn't hurt to exercise that either. Hopefully it's not in the ground. And they do put them in the ground. They'll put them in a box or something, but you need to keep it cleaned out because you're going to know when you have to shut that thing off and it's all got dirt all around it and everything else. It is very hard to take care of. Now, if you have a basement in a cold climate, they usually put the shutoff valves in the basement. They either put, like if you're on a well, they'll put the well tanks and all that stuff in the basement, and not the pump because that's usually in the well, down in the well itself. But if it's a city water system, they usually put the meters in the basement. They put a shutoff right there. So that's a good, usually that's a ball valve or a gate valve. And like I say, you want to exercise in both valves if you got them. So yeah, you can find them, and you should find out where they're at. I mean, that is I don't care how old you are. You need to find out where that shutoff valve is coming into the house, because you're going to need it someday. Even if you have to tackle the neighbor to come and shut it off for you, you want to know where to tell him to go. So I recommend highly that you know where it's at.
Awesome, thank you. All right, so where's your water shutoff valve located? Depends, warm climate, could be outside. Look for the water meter, and you can usually track it from there.
Yep.
For it. And then if you're in cold climate, it's going to be located in your basement. So thanks a lot. Make sure you find it. All right, thanks a lot for watching. If you have any questions for the Grumpy Plumber, leave them in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe because we're posting new videos every Saturday full of great ways to save money on plumbing.
Thank you for watching. I hope I helped you out a lot. Thank you.